Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Blanca Stella and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation review on the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. This came out, I think, in January, so last month, and I'm barely getting around to trying it out, and I decided to do a review on it because who doesn't like a good drugstore foundation, you know? So I already primed my face and everything, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation and kind of do like first impressions to see how it applies, if I like the coverage and all that. So when I went to Walmart, this was almost sold out. They only had the really darker shades, so I'm hoping I got the right shade because they didn't have like the shades that I normally go for. So I got the shade 130 Buff Beige, which I think it looks a little bit too light, but we'll see. This is a foundation right here. And it does come with a pump, which I really like. So the Matte and Polish by Maybelline has been one of my holy grails because I do use it literally every day, especially for work. It does a really good job at keeping me matte, and it does cover up my pores. And it is half the price, almost half the price of this one. But this one, if I end up really liking this one, then who knows, this might become my new holy grail. So I'm so excited because it's a matte, and I do have oily skin, so I'm going to see how good it holds up. I'm just going to go ahead and pump some in the back of my hand. It doesn't feel thick at all. But it's not liquidy either, like it's staying in place. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it on my face. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit too light, but it's okay. That's why we bronze and shit. It is a little bit thick though, which I don't mind. It kind of smells like, how do I explain the smell? It kind of has the smell of when you like get a new swimming tube, like a floaty. It kind of smells like that plastic, and I actually like that smell, so I don't mind the smell. Okay, so I'm going to start off with that much, and I'm going to see how good the coverage is. If I need more, then I'll actually add more. But since it does claim that it's full coverage, I want to see how full coverage it really is. And I'm going to be using a beauty sponge to blend it. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I did wet it, so it's damped. I'm just going to go ahead and start blending it out. But I didn't put some here. So I'm just going to put some like that. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off and blending it out. So it is blending out really easy and really good. I'm not having any problems blending it out. It is light, but I mean, I really wanted to try it out, so I just got it. And I mean, if I end up liking it, then I'll just get it my shade, but for this video, that's fine. I do like the coverage. I have a little bit of like lunares around here and on my lip, and it did a good job at covering it up. I can still see it, but you can barely see it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more foundation to see how it looks when you build it up. See if it won't get cakey or anything. So I'm just going to put some in the back of my hand again. And just apply more. So this is the second layer that I'm applying. Oh yeah, that really covered up my lunar right here. I don't see it anymore. And I put some under my eyes just to see if it was going to cover up my dark circles, and it actually did. Like, I'm actually shook right now, girl. I might not even need concealer. Huh.
I look flawless right now, girl. So flawless.
I don't look cakey. It did not sink into my pores or anything. It doesn't look patchy. It doesn't look drying. I love the coverage because I usually have to put. Usually when I put after I put the foundation on my nose, I usually can still see through the foundation, and I can see my blackets because I do have blackets on my nose, and I can't see anything through the foundation. So I might not even have to wear concealer. Like, but I might still put it on just to highlight. But I really like it without concealer.
I'm like so shook right now at this coverage. Girl.
I like it. I love how my skin is looking right now. It's My skin looks better right now than when it does when I wear the matte and poreless one. So this might be my new holy grail. I mean, probably not every day for work because the other one is cheaper. But girl, I like it so far. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. And then I'm going to come back and tell you guys my last thoughts on the first impressions. And then I want to see how it looks like with the rest of my face makeup on. And then, yeah. So I'll be right back. So I just finished the rest of my makeup and I still love how the foundation is looking. I set it and I did the rest of my face makeup and I do like how it looks. It still looks pretty matte. It hasn't caked up or anything yet. It did crease a little bit under my eyes because I did end up adding some concealer because I wanted to highlight. And the concealer that I applied never creases on me, and my under eyes were creasing, so I'm pretty sure it was the foundation. But I did fix it, and it hasn't creased again yet. So that's probably like one of the things I'm gonna have problems with. If it's gonna start creasing, then I'm not gonna put any under my eyes at all. But I do like how it's looking. It did apply really easy. It blended out really easy and really fast as well. My face looks really, really pretty. My skin hasn't looked this good with any foundation unless I add a really, really good primer. And I added my... What primer did I use? Oh yeah. I used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. And I always use this primer when I use drugstore foundations. And my face has never looked this pretty. So I know it's the foundation. I just love how my face looks right now. So as of right now, I do recommend it. But I am going to read to you guys what it claims. I'm going to pull up the website and see and read some stuff that says about the foundation. Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation delivers 24-hour wear for concentrated coverage and a flawless finish that doesn't fade or shift all day. Be your own professional makeup artist with Maybelline's Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. Saturated color pigments provide an ultra transforming effect in this long-lasting foundation. The lightweight yet high-impact coverage formula glides onto the skin for a flawless makeup finish that lasts all day. It's oil-free, doesn't clog pores. It just tells you how to apply it. And it has really good reviews. I'm not gonna be able to do check-ins on camera, but I will leave like hourly check-ins on the description box so you guys can go ahead and read that after the video. I'm really hoping this lasts all day because I do have really oily skin and I still haven't found a really good matte one. The matte and poreless lasts me the whole day at work, but after work it just starts caking up and everything. So if this can last more than 10 hours, then girl, it's gonna be my new favorite foundation. I still can't get over how good my skin looks. Girl. Guys, thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to read the description box to find out my final thoughts on the foundation. But as of right now, I am really loving it. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.